생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 면세로 쇼핑할 때
Do you offer tax-free shopping for tourists?
Yes, we do. You can get a tax refund at the airport or in store.
What do I need for the refund?
You'll need the purchase slip and your purchase details.
Is there a minimum amount to qualify?
Yes, purchases over $100 are eligible.
Do I fill out a form here?
We'll prepare the form for you. You just need to sign it.
Can I get the credit refund right away?
At the airport, yes. In-store refunds go to your bank account.
How long does the process take?
Just a few minutes if everything is ready.
Perfect. I'd like to do tax-free shopping today.
Great. Let me help you with that.